aboard the train. Oh, say something. Waiting for Adam so we can aboard the train.
Hi. How you doing today?
5 hours later.
It's Chelsea! No! Let me see that baby. Yeah.
Get your toesies.
Now that lady in church won't be able to say anything because I seen my grandbaby.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Hockey Valley City Ground.
As fast as it goes.
Oh, okay, that's us. Is that how I'm on the internet?
Wow.
It's considered, it's called a It's like crystal clear water. I was waist deep and I can see my toes. Like that clear water. No, it's just really cool. And,
Eat.
hi.
You didn't say that you had tomatoes.
Hammer.
Okay, good night.
Oh, don't touch him! It's illegal! Don't touch him, he's poisonous! Where is he? I can't see him.
Why don't you guys, big talkers, pick it up?
Dude, he'll jump on you.
Look at them grapes,
Sorry.
they're so pretty.
Kill him!
Look at him, he's a person. Oh my god. Oh, they're really hard.
He's like,
That's what she said. Oh, dude, if it jumps in
he does have a bug in him. That's fucking shit.
Oh my god! It's on Chelsea!
It's on Chelsea.
It's gonna get. Ashley, it flew up your dress!
He flew away. No, it didn't.
The bleeding vagina.
I wanna hold them like they do in Texas, please.
Extreme baby close up! Sorry, I kicked you. Look at puppy!
This little fish. No. Don't you jump. Go.
Get down. That's Shasha. Shasha, what's he doing? Oh. Lacey. Attack of the pit bull. Oh, the train was so much fun. Now I'm at Adam's house and everyone's playing shoot. What's that called? UFC Ultimate Fighter on the PlayStation 3. This thing is so hard to get into. Oh god, I'm stuck. Okay. This might not have been such a good idea.